The man in this picture is Mr. Schaefer. Mr. Schaefer unfortunately cut 3 of his fingers and his thumb off in a tragic accident. My goal is to help create him a prosthetic to assist him in any of the things he does in day-to-day life. Mr. Schaefer had 3 main problems that he wanted help with from this prosthetic: being able to work in his workshop, being able to tie flies, and being able to write easier. So our class made little sketches to see if we could come up with any ideas that would best suit this. I created 10 sketches by myself to see if I could find a product that I think would best help Mr. Schaefer. I finally decided on creating a prosthetic thumb. My drawing skills are very bad, but I was able to create a couple sketches on what I think I would like the product to end up being, even though these sketches ended up being very different from the final product. I decided, instead of using straps to connect the thumb to his hand, I ended up using a glove. This is a video of one of the first prototypes I created. The first prototype was a disaster and didn't work at all. It was way too rigid and way too thick. So I created this prototype, which is a little bit thinner and also has a plate on the side to give some more flexibility while also adding support. This picture is from Mr. Schaefer's second visit. In this visit, both our individual groups had him test our prototypes to see what we could add and what we could change to make it better. I finally created this product. The finger was molded to perfectly fit his hand by using boiling water and forming it around a mold that we created of his hand. I then attached it to a glove for him to be able to attach to his hand. In this picture, I'm teaching Mr. Schaefer how to put on the prosthetic and how to use it, utilizing the joint at the base of his thumb to be able to move it.
Pretty good.
This picture gives a close-up on how Mr. Schaefer is able to use this prosthetic. He can use his pinky and his thumb to be able to pinch objects he wants to pick up, giving him more grip. Although I enjoyed this whole project, I think that the best part of the project was being able to see how my prosthetic I created made him happy.